Create photo collage or add two pictures side by side. Go ahead and open the default gallery app. Now we have to enable gallery labs. From your gallery, tap on menu. Here, tap on settings. Under gallery settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on about gallery. Now tap on version name for 7 times and the gallery labs will be enabled. Now go back to your gallery settings and scroll down all the way to the bottom. Tap on gallery labs and make sure to enable gallery labs. Now go back to your gallery and I'm selecting two pictures. Now tapping on create. Here select collage. And now we have to select our collage frame. So you can put two pictures vertically just like this, or you can select horizontally. Now select your first image and you can just pinch your fingers to zoom in or zoom out the picture just like so. You can also change the picture position. Select the second image, do the same thing, just adjust your second photo. And after that, you can tap on this icon and you can change your collage or photo size just like this. So I'm selecting here 1 by 1. And here you can also select horizontal or vertical. Now I'm tapping on save and going back to my gallery. And as you can see, I've successfully added two pictures side by side.